So first we need to determine the width, the thickness of this cord. So I just do 10 times 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay. So make sure this is 10. Yes, it is 10. And then basically just measure the width. For this one, this is 15 millimeter. So each one gonna be 1.5 millimeter. So I got 2 rows of this cord from Amazon. This one is from PM Land. You see, this is, you can see, 100 yards, 1.5 millimeter. See, it's in here. Okay. So the other one is also about 100 yards, and then this is 1.5 millimeter as well. You see here. Okay. 盘的好比例。Well, this doesn't seem good quality. You can see this is not as good as this one. Yeah, this is better. Yeah, this is better. This one, you can see it's not round. And look at the row. Okay, but anyway, this is better. I'm gonna try this one. That's from here. This. So this blind has 2 pulling cord. There's a pulling cord in here. See in here. One pulling cord in here. The center one doesn't have anything. And then there's another pulling cord on the other side. Well, not that one. Yeah, this one. So for each pulling cord, I need to measure double the length plus the width. So that's for each pulling cord. That one or that one. So this is at the end of the blinds. You can see there's a little cover here. And then this is old cord. Now I have to weld this 2 cord together. Let me see if I can do it. put them together. So now they are together. You can see pretty strong. Now I just have to pull this cord all the way. As you can see here, I already put this cord all the way out. So this is a new cord and this is the old one. So this is the end of the new cord. Now I need to tie a knot to here. Okay. 3 circles. Okay, let me just do this. Okay, let me do this. Okay. Put this one closer to this. Now this knot is perfect. I'm gonna put it back to there. You can see I just need to put this new cord in, put it in, and then it's gonna be in there. Okay, let me put the cap back. Okay. Just need to do the same thing for this side. You can see first, open this cap. So after open the cap, take out this cord. Okay, cord is here. Same thing, just need to wire this new cord in and pull it out. So this is a new cord, that's the old one. Just need to put them together. Pretty tight. Let me just make it a little bit better. Now I just need to pull the old cord out and then the new cord gonna get in. So this welding actually broke, so I have to manually wire this the second pull cord. You can see in here there is a little separator here, separate this two pull cord. So all I need to do is I put this one in to the other side of that separator. Okay, so that's the end of this this cord. So I just need to make a knot here. Same thing as the first one. Now it looks pretty good. I can actually just cut the extra, cut off the extra, and then okay, so that's this cord. So I can basically just pull the other side and put it in. Put it in here. And then close this cap. As you can see, these are the two new cord. These are the two new cord. It's super long because we do double the length. So I'm thinking for the next one, I don't really need double the length. Maybe just one length, and then a little bit additional, and then plus the width. That's enough because now I need to, you can see the cord is all the way to the end. I need to cut it at the top. So this is actually whatever you call it, the jointer, or so you can see that's still the two old cord. So I need to put the two new cord here, and then this is the thicker one. So I put them together. So when I pull this, it's gonna pull the two cord together. So this is at the top of the blinds. As you can see, all I need to do is to cut this two to the same length, and then I'm gonna fit this two to here. Feed this in. Okay. Now all I need to do is tie a knot here. So the critical thing here is when I tie the knot, I need to make sure the length is different, is the same. Otherwise, one side of the blind will be higher. So right now it looks about the same. So now it's working. You can see all the blinds are in there. I just need to put this one together. So the width is 35, and then the length is 70. So when I calculated, at the beginning I do 70 multiplied by 2 plus 35. So I got 175 inches. But the actual length I use is 88 and 112. So this is 88. You do this and round, because this is 70, and then you add 18 to here. So that's 88. So the other one, it's 112. So this is 80, and then this is 70, and then this is not quite 35 because it started from here. So if you do 70 plus 35, that's 105, and then that's a little bit over that. You can see So this blind has this is another one. It has a 4. This is a pull cord. You can see 2 of them. There's a little tube at the end, just to stop this cord from going out. And then you can see 2 of them has this little tube, and then the other 2 is just like a double knot in here. Let's see. This is at the top of the blinds. You can see there's a little pulley in there. This cord actually need to be on top of that pulley. See, so I welded this new cord to the old one, but it break. So that's why I have to manually insert this new cord. You can see the little pulley over there. As I said before, the length of the pull cord is supposed to be the same. This is a 4 cord. You can see from here all the way to here. Make sure you can see I put a knot at the end, but make sure the length of the cords, they are the same. You can see it's even at the same height. So these are some of the old cords. As you can see, it's broken off. Just have this centerpiece. So this is a welding. On the left is a new cord. On the right is the old cord. As you can see, the thickness is the same. I mean the size of the string, the cord also is welded pretty good. You can see. Okay, so in summary, for the length of the pull cord, you just need to measure, from here all the way to here, and then you measure from here to here, and then you measure how long you want this to be, and then you maybe add a few inch to making the knot. So that is the length for this number 1. So this from here to here to here and then to here. And then for the next pull cord is just measure the distance from here to here and then to here and then to this place. So that's the cord you need. You don't have to use this equation like 2 times length plus width. You can just measure the distance from here, here, and then here to determine the length of the cord.